Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to highlight in Notion. So first, let me open up this in a side panel, okay? And let's say you're adding comments, right? So get your text, let's say I highlight this. So this is where we want to highlight, okay? And you just go ahead and highlight with your mouse first, that text, right? And then you'll see these options that pop up. I want you to come and click on A here at a drop down, and you will see different options for the background. Okay, so let's say you want the yellow background color. You just go ahead and select that. And as you can see, this one has been highlighted. And if I type more, let's say example, this one is also being highlighted. So if you want to get rid of that, you just come here and click on this and then click on default background. So if I type anything more, this is okay. Then you will not have those things highlighted. So if you only want this highlighted, let's say this, okay, you come here, click on this A drop down, and then choose the color you want to highlight with. And there you go, guys. It is really that easy and simple.